Hello everyone, welcome to Sairam Math. This is the third video of the playlist, chapter 10 Circles of CBSE. In first two videos we have already discussed two properties. In this video we will discuss third property. First property we discussed is radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Second property we discussed is if I am drawing two tangents from a point outside the circle, then angle made at the center with radius and angle made with the tangents are supplementary. If it is theta, this will be 180 minus theta. Today we will discuss third property, which is very important property. By using the third property, what are the applications also we will discuss in videos. Okay, now property is, let us say there is a circle, and how many tangents I can draw from a point outside the circle? 2. We discussed this in the previous class, right? So if I draw those two tangents, tangent means what? Which is touching at one point only. Okay, now let us say this is one point only. Okay, now then if we join these points, then radius will be formed. We obviously know that this will be 90 degrees. Okay, now we will keep it aside. Let us say the point is O, let us say the point is P. What is second property? Second property is if this is theta, this is 180 minus theta. This is 180 minus theta, right? But today we are not going to discuss anything about angles. Okay, now we are discussing about length of the side. Okay, now let us say the points are A and B. Let us say points are A and B. Okay, now what is the property is PA length is equal to PB length. Okay, now very important property in all senses. PA is equal to PB. Okay, now to state the property, if I am drawing two tangents from a point outside the circle, length of those two tangents will be equal. Length of the tangents are PA and PB. Clear? This is the property. Now let us go into proof of the property. Okay, now how a property can be proved. See, one thing you remember, similarity and congruency is the basics of geometry. Okay, now how much ever big a property is, roots of proofs will be from similarity and geometry only, most probably. Okay, now so at this point we don't know that they are equal. We have to prove that PA is equal to PB. Okay, in this diagram, if I am drawing two tangents from a point outside, we have to prove that PA is equal to PB. Construction is, let us join O and P. Let us join O and P. I can see that there are two triangles formed. Without any doubt, I can write angle A is equal to 90, angle B is equal to 90. Why? In property 1, in first video of this playlist, we have property 1 stating that the radius of a triangle is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, now I will repeat this 100 times till you remember. Okay, radius of a circle is perpendicular to its tangent. Clear? So we have two triangles in front of us right now. Triangle OBP and triangle OAP. There are two triangles for us, right? Now I want to check whether these two triangles are congruent or not. Okay, now with proper reasons. Okay, now let us write triangle OAP here. Can I tell angle B is equal to angle A? Yes or no? Angle B is equal to angle A and this is 90 degrees, right? Can I tell OP is equal to OP? OP is hypotenuse for both the triangles. OP is hypotenuse for both the triangles and it should be equal to itself. Can I tell OA is equal to OB? OA is equal to obviously OB because both are radius of the circle. OA is equal to OB. According to RHS congruency, right angle, hypotenuse and side. Right angle is there, hypotenuse is matching and one side is also matching. These two triangles are congruent to each other. Congruent symbol is this. Triangle OPB and triangle OAB are congruent to each other. So automatically remaining everything will be equal. So PB is equal to PA. Clear? One more time I am explaining. Listen carefully. At first we don't know that PA is equal to PB. I just drew one line joining O and P and two triangles were formed. Obviously both of them are right angle triangles because of first property, radius perpendicular to tangent, and one side is obviously equal because radius is equal to radius, and common side OP is hypotenuse for both the triangles. According to RHS property, right angle hypotenuse side property, we have these two triangles congruent. Which are those two triangles? OBP and OAP. So remaining sides also should be equal, hence PA is equal to PB. One of the most important properties of tangent. Okay, now if I am drawing, again I am telling in one way, in one word, if I am drawing two tangents from an outside point to a circle, length of those two tangents will be equal. There are a lot of applications from this property. Many things we'll discuss. We'll discuss textbook level, we'll discuss outside textbook level, we'll discuss whatever concept is there based on this property. So in this video, this is it. In next video, we'll discuss little more concepts. Okay, now. So please keep seeing the videos. Okay, now, and kindly share it to the needy. Thank you.